Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting off with, or she started off with my hair being wet, and she just detangled it and basically put a paddle brush through it and tried to blow dry it. Now at this point I was just thinking, how damaged would my hair be? But you know, we'll see that in a bit. But yeah, so she basically made sure that she detangled each bit with a wide tooth comb, and I actually didn't feel a thing. Like, she was so professional.
It don't bother me if it don't ride, then it don't bother me if it don't ride. The shit don't bother me if it don't ride, then it don't bother me if it don't ride, then it don't bother me if it don't ride.
So basically, every time my hair was like a little bit dry, what she did was that she sprayed some water to make sure that she wasn't detangling it dry, which I was like, good, thumbs up, because something I would do, or should do. I actually do that. But yeah, so she just made the detangling process quite easy, and then she blow dried my hair throughout. Now at this point I was starting to see my ends, and I was thinking, we're going to cut a few inches off, aren't we? Well, I was a bit in denial. So here she started to do a silk press. So she literally just used one part of the straightener, and I was shocked because that's saying a lot. My hair is mostly 4B. Like, I do have some 4A, but it's mostly 4B, and then, you know, that's proper kinky. So she really used one pass on each section, I guess because she just made it really thin. But yeah, it was really, you know, good. No heat damage or anything like that. So I'm going to speed through this part so you can watch her straighten my hair, and I'll come back to talk when she's done.
Don't bother me if it don't ride, the shit don't bother. Left back in time, just lay on past, oh baby, yeah, lay on past, oh baby. Left back in time, lay on past, oh baby, yeah, lay on past, oh baby.
Like, to be fair, she's straightening and you can kind of see my ends, and then you know that these ends aren't the best. But you guys, look at how silky my hair looks. It looks so like bouncy. But yeah, going on, my hair actually came out quite smooth and quite nice. The only problems were the ends, so where like the luster just began to seize and did not exist anymore. And I have really fine hair, so okay, I'll just do another video about fine hair because I think that'll make me talk for too long. See how smooth and silky it looks? Like, it looks so good, but we're about to see the damage. Just give it a few more seconds.
Oh baby, my intentions were true. Mood swing just got me rubbing up blue. Loose change I could have spent on my day. It's all the same and in the bank. So if it don't ride, then it don't bother me. If it don't ride, the shit don't bother me. If it don't ride, then it don't bother me. If it don't ride, the shit don't bother me. If it don't ride, then it don't bother me. If it don't ride, then it don't bother me. If it don't ride, then it don't bother me. If it don't ride, the shit don't bother. Left back in time, just lay on past, oh baby.
So here she's just sectioning off like the front bit of my hair so we can see like all the damage at the back, and then know where to trim, because she basically takes a picture and then shows you and then says, okay, where do you want me to trim? But she tells you where she wants to trim. So you could see like that V in my hair, like it's literally riding off. But yeah, so at this point I'm just thinking, shit. And then I'm showing her like where she should cut. I would insert the picture right now on the screen so you can see exactly what, you know, she showed me. So she's basically trimming off like the bit I told her where to trim. I drew a line on it so you can see that on the screen now. So she's trimming that off, and then she's going to layer my hair, because obviously when she trims it off, that's like just the back being trimmed. What about the middle bit and like the front? So obviously you'd want to have layers in your hair, or I wanted layers in my hair anyway, which is normal. So she had to follow that through and, you know, give me layers. So the next thing she did was to wrap my hair. So she kind of used a paddle brush to wrap my hair and put it in well, you can call it saran wrap or cling film. I guess it depends on what part of the world you're watching from. But yeah, so she basically did that, and then I stayed under a hooded dryer for about 15 minutes. Oh, sorry, I forgot to say she did style my hair with one more pass of the straightener. So she did bump my hair with the straightener. So technically she went through each section of my hair twice with the straightener. So once to straighten it out and the second time to kind of style it.
Then it don't bother me if you don't ride. Then it don't bother me if you don't ride. Then it don't bother me if you don't ride. The shit don't bother. Let's back in time. Just lay your hands on baby, yeah.
Yeah, this is the bit where I said she wrapped my hair, and then after that it was, you know, a breeze. So the lesson I learned was obviously I need to trim my hair more often. I used to clip my ends, but I guess it wasn't as great as, you know, getting a professional to do it. So I would be seeing her every 4 months, so I guess 3 times a year, for her to trim my hair, because honestly her service, her professionalism is just amazing. So yeah, she is now my hairstylist in terms of trimming my hair. So when I want to have my hair straightened, silk pressed, or blow dried, I guess I will come to her. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. Comment is important. Let's have a conversation. And also do follow me on my social media platforms. I will link them in the description or on the screen right now. And yeah, you guys, thanks for watching this video, and wait for the slow motion hair bit at the end. Love you. Bye.